This is the only book you'll need to make money from your pocket change. Read it, enjoy it, and then please, please, please give it away for free. So there's probably a few of you that are like, only book. That's not true. I would agree. There's definitely full-on price guides out there once you get through the beginnings of getting into turning your loose change and bills into more money. But I'm really proud of this thing, man. I mean, I wrote a couple supplement books that I think were less concise than this one. But this book, in short, covers a little bit on every US coin. It's just a couple pages per coin if you're trying to get like ridiculous info. Like I said, there's tons of books out there. This is more like a reference guide that I put together from tons of notes and stuff I've had over the years, just to kind of give you or a buddy of yours or your kid or whoever wants to get into this weird hobby of collecting currency and, more importantly, selling your currency for more money. It covers everything from air banknotes to gold and silver to US coins, all the different currency terminology, as well as in the back is check sheets to keep count of your collection of both coins and banknotes. It is 320 some odd pages, and yeah, it's available in ebook for like $6, physical book for 12. Again, it's pretty good size, and as well as hardback if you really want to go that route, but it's kind of silly expensive. But hey, that's what Amazon wanted to charge. So you can also share this book, like I said. So if you buy it, well, in physical form, read it, enjoy it, and then please, please, please give it away for free. I want people to get into the hobby and not feel like they got to go drop 12 bucks. But I have put a ton of stuff together over the years on collecting currency and turning your pocket change into profit. I am in no way of an expert, but I'm an expert beginner. So I thought a good intro beginner guide would be something you guys might like. So please pick it up. I even enabled returns. So if you really don't like the book, feel free to return it back to Amazon. If you have any questions on the book, or if you are a publisher out there, a writer, you want to get your stuff out there. I'm no master, but I've gone through the self-publishing process about 3-4 times for this and some science fiction stuff. So let me know. I'd love to share my knowledge for free with you. I want everybody to get their creativity out there. Thank you so much. Pick up my book on Amazon or my website, varietyerrors.com, if you want to get into the weirdest but coolest hobby ever. And that's collecting currency. Cool. See you guys later.